Hello there and welcome to our new healthy recipe video series put together by Valleywide Health Systems. This video recipe series is designed to help inspire you to cook healthy and delicious recipes that your family is going to love. Today we're going to be making a healthy and hearty chicken tortilla soup that you can just throw in your slow cooker in the morning before you go to work. This recipe is so easy. If you're teaching your kids to cook, this is a really great one to have them help with. You will need 1 pound of chopped cooked chicken. We just bought a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store, pulled all of the meat off of it. It was super simple and easy, and you can do this too. Then you will need 1 can of whole peeled tomatoes, mashed, 1 can of enchilada sauce, 1 medium onion, chopped, 1 can of green chilies, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced. And then our spice mixture here is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We will also be adding 2 cups of water, some chicken broth, some frozen corn, a bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped cilantro. Let's get started. First, you're going to put the chicken and the tomatoes enchilada sauce, onion. We'll just take a spoon and get all of that onion in there. Green chilies. And our garlic into the slow cooker. And give this a little stir. Now we're going to pour in our water. Just go slowly so you don't splash. Our chicken broth. And our seasoning. Okay. And now we're going to put in 1 bay leaf. And stir in our corn. And our cilantro. It already smells really great, and we haven't even turned on the crock pot yet. Now that we have all of our ingredients added, we're just going to cover and turn it on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. If you have an Instant Pot, just select the slow cooker setting and set your timer for anywhere from 3 to 8 hours. Now you have several options when serving the soup as far as toppings and garnishes go. You can top this with tortilla strips or chips, or a tablespoon of cheese or sour cream. I wouldn't go more than a tablespoon because The more cheese or sour cream you add to this, the more fat and calories you're going to be adding. And right now, this is a really beautiful, healthy soup. But the other option for garnishing is cilantro, and you can have as much of that as you want. And voila! And you can make this recipe even healthier by using only half a pound of chicken and adding a can of black beans instead.